hot.
I can see the sunshine at the Dells.
How about it? You got good eyesight.
Good eyesight, I'll tell you. 2020.
All right, I told everyone that you guys were taking your tops off. I meant off of the little grill thing.
Boy, we've already got the email already. Doggone it.
It's a family show.
It is. Is that sprinkling?
Actually,
No, it's just a bird.
might have been.
Just kidding.
Cover the food. Cover the food.
I browned some brats up. We made a neat little pulled pork.
Yeah.
I made a pulled pork. I put onions and red peppers in there, a little bit of Italian Harvest, a little bit of #1 barbecue sauce, and I'm trying to find a bratwurst. There's one.
Ooh.
And we'll platter that baby up. And if that ain't an Italian bomber to beat all bombers, see if we can find another one.
Oh, it's like going fishing, man.
It is. It's in there. It's just.
You can have a game.
It's as easy as shooting
Look
fish in
at
a
that.
barrel.
Isn't that delicious
there.
looking? Now there's some bratwurst.
All right,
Oh,
that'll
I love
put
it.
some meat on your bones. As
That'll
they
put
say.
hair on your
That'll
head, as
do
they say.
I better eat a
I
whole
was
bunch of that
just gonna
stuff.
say.
Merrill's is a treasure.
Here, it's the
That is
typical
actually is.
treasure. You know, I cleaned out the vegetable drawer this morning, and I went ahead and got some potatoes. I got some yellow peppers. I
Love
got some
the yellow
green
peppers.
zucchini. You
Soup's
know,
good.
I got the onions in there.
Oh, y'all?
A little carrots, and I drizzled a little bit of our lemon pepper marinade, which is absolutely great. It's got Dijon mustard in there. It's got all the peppers in there.
It's very unique. I
It's
really
very
like
unique.
it.
You can use it on anything. Matter of fact, I use this same stuff to marinate on my Cornish game hens. Marinate them just for an hour. Browned up really nice. And that's basically it. Very simple to do. Everybody gets on my case.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, let me get the bottle out of
That's
here.
okay. Let's just
Oh,
take
he's
it.
spilling.
Oh, let's go. Look at that.
As Amy said,
you know
man
why? Because
overboard.
Merrill didn't want to make Merrill didn't want to make a mess for
hot.
Ann.
Yeah. Yeah.
They can plate up quick right here.
You
It's
know
Mad
what?
Dog
You pick
and
it off
Merrill.
the table and you put it on there. You do that at home too.
Hey,
I
your
like
show's-
these people. Oh,
Yep, the show today it starts
Yes.
at 9:30
means wrap.
CW14. 9:30 CW14. It's an all-new show. It's a great show. We have a lot of fun. It's with Spike and Goober. That's all we're gonna say.
Spike and Goober. You know Spike's my dad's nickname?
Really?
Really?
Was your dad an old Nam vet?
No.
Okay, well, Spike is.
Stay with us, Mordecai here in Goodnight, Wisconsin. We're going to taste
I
this.
bet.
Stay with us and stop the raindrops. It's sunny and raining. There's a raindrop somewhere.
Hot.